In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Hootsuite and show you how to use it for managing your social media accounts. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to streamline your social media game, Hootsuite is an awesome tool that lets you manage multiple platforms all from one place. It's especially great for businesses or individuals who want to increase their presence on social media without juggling a bunch of tabs and accounts. I'm going to break it down step by step so you'll know exactly what to do. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the essentials. Hootsuite is a powerful platform that helps you manage all your social media accounts in one convenient place. Whether you need to create and schedule posts, engage with your followers, or track performance, Hootsuite makes it easy. It supports a wide range of networks, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and even TikTok. So if you've ever found it difficult to juggle multiple accounts, Hootsuite is here to simplify your life. Hootsuite is especially useful for business owners, influencers, or marketing professionals who need to grow their online presence. It offers an intuitive interface that allows you to manage content across various platforms simultaneously. You can automate your social media posts, track engagement through detailed analytics, and even collaborate with a team. With the ability to schedule posts in advance, monitor trends, and engage with followers efficiently, it provides a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to maintain an active social media presence. Plus, Hootsuite's scheduling feature helps you post content at the most optimal times, ensuring maximum reach and engagement without having to be online all day. Essentially, Hootsuite streamlines your social media workflow and gives you more time to focus on growing your business. Let's start by heading over to Hootsuite's website. Simply go to hootsuite.com and you'll see the option to sign up. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on Start Your Free Trial. Once you click on that, you'll be asked to choose which plan works best for you. If you're just getting started and want to use it solo, the Just For Me plan will be the best option. With this plan, you get to manage 10 social media accounts and access some key features. If you have a bigger team or need more accounts, you can go for the team plan, which allows you to manage up to 20 accounts and have 3 users on your account. For now, let's stick with the individual plan. The great part? You can try it out for free for 30 days, and after that, you can choose to keep the service with a discount. Once you've selected your plan, you'll need to enter some basic information, like your name, email, and password. Hootsuite also asks for payment details upfront, just in case you want to continue after the free trial. But no worries, they won't charge you until your trial period is over. Once you've signed up and entered your payment details, it's time to add your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Hootsuite is compatible with a wide range of platforms, so whether you want to manage Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube, it's all possible through this tool. Let's imagine you want to start with Instagram. To link your account, just click on the Add a Social Network button and select Instagram. You'll be prompted to enter your Instagram login details. Once you do that, Hootsuite will quickly sync up with your profile. The same process works for Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Each platform will have its own authentication steps, but they are all very simple and easy to follow. As you add each platform, Hootsuite will ask for permission to manage your accounts. Don't worry, everything is secure, and you can easily remove or disconnect accounts at any time. Once all your social accounts are connected, you can start managing your social media all in one place. Whether you want to schedule posts, track engagement, or respond to comments, Hootsuite streamlines everything, making it easy for you to manage multiple platforms at once. With your account set up, you're now ready to dive into content creation and social media management, all from Hootsuite's user-friendly dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Hootsuite dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage everything from scheduling posts to checking your social media performance. Let's take a look at the key areas. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the home icon. This is your main dashboard where you can quickly navigate to all other features. Next to it is the plans section, which lets you view your current subscription and easily upgrade if you need more functionality or additional social media accounts. Below that, there's the create section. This is where you'll spend a lot of your time crafting and scheduling your social media posts. Here, you can write new content, attach images or videos, and even schedule posts to go live at specific times. You'll also find an option for bulk upload if you want to schedule multiple posts at once. Perfect for organizing your content ahead of time. This allows you to track interactions, mentions, and activities from all your connected social platforms in real time. You can set up different streams for each account to keep track of comments, direct messages, and other important updates. This setup makes it easy to engage with your audience without jumping between apps. With everything neatly organized, Hootsuite keeps all your social media activities in one place, making it simple to manage your online presence. Let's dive deeper into the Create section, which is where you'll bring your content strategy to life. This section allows you to create posts for any of the linked social media accounts, whether you want to post to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or multiple platforms simultaneously. Here's how it works. When you click on the Create button, a window will pop up, giving you the option to select which accounts you want to post to. You can easily toggle between platforms, allowing you to craft a post for each or choose to post it across all accounts at once. After selecting your platforms, you can begin typing your content, be it a catchy tweet, a detailed Facebook post, or an eye-catching caption for Instagram. If you're posting to Instagram, you'll need to upload an image or video since that's a requirement for the platform. A handy feature is the media library, where you can store images and videos for quick access. This makes it easy to keep your media organized and ready for future posts. You can even design images directly within the Canva integration in Hootsuite, which saves a lot of time and effort if you need to create visuals on the fly. Once your post is ready, you can either post it immediately, save it as a draft for later editing, or schedule it to be posted at a specific time in the future. The scheduling option is one of Hootsuite's most powerful features. It enables you to plan and organize your content ahead of time, ensuring that your social media accounts remain active without you having to manually post every day. This also helps in maintaining a consistent posting schedule, which is key to building engagement and growing your online presence. By using the Create section, you can streamline your entire social media process, saving time while ensuring your content reaches the right audience at the optimal time. Now, let's explore how Hootsuite can help you schedule YouTube videos as well. This feature is incredibly useful for creators who want to streamline their content distribution across multiple platforms. To create a YouTube post, simply click on the Create button, select YouTube from the list of connected accounts, and upload your video file. Once the video is uploaded, you'll need to fill in essential details such as the video title, a compelling description, and relevant tags to help your video reach the right audience. You can also choose to set your video's privacy settings, such as whether it will be public, private, or unlisted. This ensures that you control who has access to the content before it goes live. Another great feature is the ability to schedule the video for a future release, allowing you to plan your content calendar without having to worry about manually posting the video at the right time. This is especially beneficial if you want to release content when your audience is most active, but you may not be available to post it in real time. With Hootsuite's YouTube integration, managing your video content becomes just as easy as managing your social media posts. You can schedule, monitor, and track the performance of your videos all within the same platform, saving time and ensuring a consistent content flow across all channels. This seamless integration helps you stay organized and keeps your content production on track. This is a lifesaver when you're feeling stuck or unsure about what to post next. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can explore the ideas Hootsuite has put together to spark your creativity. It offers content prompts that can help guide your social media strategy, whether you're promoting a product, sharing a story, or just keeping your audience engaged. If you're looking for fresh content ideas, you can easily find recommendations based on your niche or industry. Hootsuite also provides options to repurpose your web content, which is an excellent way to breathe new life into old blog posts, videos, or articles. This feature saves time and helps you maximize the value of the content you've already created. For seasonal content, the Inspirations section includes helpful suggestions for holidays or special occasions, such as New Year's, Halloween, or National Pet Day, so you can plan ahead. You can also tap into fun and easy themes like Motivation Monday, Throwback Thursday, or Self-Care Sunday. These trending themes can help you keep your social media feeds exciting and engaging, allowing you to stay connected with your audience without overthinking each post. By having all these ideas at your fingertips, you don't have to spend hours brainstorming. Instead, you can focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience, ensuring your social media presence remains active and relevant all year round. The Streams section in Hootsuite is a powerful feature designed to give you real-time insights into your social media activity. This is your command center for monitoring everything happening across your accounts. You can keep an eye on your feeds to ensure you're up to date with the latest posts, mentions, and interactions. Whether it's a new comment, a share, or a direct message, you'll catch everything as it happens. This section allows you to track your post performance too. You can see how your posts are resonating with your audience by tracking likes, comments, shares, and other engagement metrics. By keeping tabs on this, you can figure out which content is working and what needs improvement. The Streams section also makes it easy to engage with your followers directly. You can reply to comments, retweet, like posts, or share valuable content from other users, all from one screen. Another benefit of the Streams section is the ability to manage your followers and subscribers. You can see who's following you, track conversations, and engage in meaningful interactions. This tool is also perfect for keeping tabs on your scheduled content. You can quickly confirm that your posts are set to go live as planned and make any necessary adjustments. With everything in one place, the Streams section ensures you stay on top of your social media activity and never miss an important engagement or update. Once you start posting regularly, you'll want to keep track of your performance, right? Well, that's where the Analytics section comes in. Hootsuite offers in-depth reporting tools that let you analyze engagement, reach, and growth. You can generate detailed reports that show how your social media accounts are performing across different metrics. If you're running social media ads, Hootsuite also has an ad management section where you can manage your Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and more. You can track the performance of your ads and even make adjustments directly from the platform.